What is this? It's disgusting. We should eliminate it. Alright, let's knock this fender off. What we got here? Looks like some kind of Fender Eliminator bracket. Alright, I guess I'll go with this. What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit here. So on my CRF300L I have this giant piece of plastic shit hanging off of the back of the bike. Today we're going to do something about it. I have a Fender Eliminator kit from Thep that I ordered on Bikerzbits.com, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. The first thing we're going to do is remove these two fasteners on both sides of the bike. They are 6mm Allen fasteners. Ahead and lift your seat back, set that aside, and pop your plastic panels out, lift that right off. The stock fender has a light for the license plate. We're going to disconnect that before we remove the fender. That is going to be this right here. It has a brown and a green wire. Let's slide that off. On the underside of the bike, you're going to see 3 Allen fasteners here. Those are 5mm, and we're going to remove those. Make sure as you're removing these fasteners that you're supporting the fender so you don't just dump it on the ground. Not that it matters, right? Stock fender, this thing's going in the trash. Alright, already looking much better. So your kit is going to come with 3 fasteners. I'm going to apply a little bit of blue Loctite to each of them before I move on with installing the bracket itself. Back on the top side, we're just going to slide this back on top of the wiring. Make sure that's seated properly. Grab your rear fender cover. Real quick, I just wanted to show you these alignment holes for the rear fender cover. So when you pop this off, you know exactly where you need to put your fender cover, and then you can just pop this back on. It makes the process a lot simpler, and it is on both sides. At this point, we're ready to put our seat back on. These silver washer fasteners go in the front, and these black washer fasteners go in the back towards the fender. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. I'm really excited to have that giant ugly fender off of my bike. Really happy with how it turns out. Really simple too. I mean, I don't really feel the need for a license plate light. I don't ride at night too often, and even when I do, I've never been pulled over for not having one. So for me, it's not a big deal. Maybe where you live, it might be a problem. If it is, you might want to consider a different Fender Eliminator kit. But yeah, this is from Bikerzbits.com. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in picking one up. And yeah, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. But as always, ride fast, ride naked, wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt? What the fuck? Wear your helmet. I mean, wear your seatbelt too. I don't know where that came from. I'll see you next time.